Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
What's going on, you guys? RNYE back with another video. Today we're changing the oil on Skylar, but it's going to be a different type of oil change, different from what I'm used to, but you guys might have seen this. Today we're going to put thick oil into Skylar. I usually run 5W30, but online I've been reading people have been getting better results, like the engine just feels smoother, the shifts are smoother when they use thicker oil. So I'm going to go to Walmart, pick up 5W40 oil. I think that's a good medium, and that should be like good. I know people have been going up as high as 15W50, which, I mean, I'm not tracking my car, so I probably won't need that thick viscous oil, but it doesn't hurt the car. It won't cause sludge or anything. That was my concern, but I'm gonna get that situated. I'm gonna go to Walmart, pick up the oil, and if you're wondering why Walmart, it's just a lot cheaper than AutoZone or O'Reilly Auto Parts. I don't know, whatever car part store you guys have there, but Walmart is definitely a cheaper alternative. So I'm gonna pick up oil, and then I will see you guys when I'm at Supreme Auto Works. This is the oil I got. I'm gonna go with Castrol oil. Castrol Edge 5W40, and then I always use the same oil filter, or try to. It's the Fram. It's been working well, so I'm just gonna go with that. Take these to the guys, and hopefully I can tell you guys if I like it or not. All right, so not even slight, like major problem going to get this oil change. I had to stop by my dad's friend's place to drop something off, but while coming here I hit a rock, I don't know, but I got a massive bubble on my car. Luckily I was able to pull it in and get Skylar to a safe spot. That being said, I needed to get a tire, so I started looking around. Luckily, I was able to find this shop that had my tire size, and I borrowed my dad's friend's car and took the rim off Skylar. And went to the shop. So I just got back. The rim is in my dad's friend's car's trunk. It's like a hole. So I'm gonna put the tire back on Skylar. While the car was sitting here, I guess my dad's friend's mechanic, he decided to just drain the oil. So he drained the oil. I'm gonna put oil in Skylar, and yeah, it was just like a whole like backstory and like a whole mess up, like a whole dilemma that just happened out of nowhere. But at the end of the day, still got my oil change. Yeah, I ended up having to get a new tire, but it's all for fun. Aww, Mikey likes me. Mikey, this is so cute. You know that, right?
What's that?
Your
Just
note.
in case. God forbid, dude.
So cute.
It's not cute. It's fucking weird.
No, absolutely.
Left you.
I would cry if I heard a rod knock. Dude, that oil's thick though.
Yeah, he said
Would it be smart if I put 1550? Why? Blow? It's not gonna blow up. 1550. 1540s diesel shit? Really? Alright, I'm gonna put a diesel motor in my what kind of camera? It's a 70D Canon.
Word? How much is that shit? 7?
Damn, you look good.
Let me see.
Alright, so moment of truth, guys. Alright, let's see how this goes. Hey! The car revs so happy. I don't know why I didn't think of this before. I should have just changed the oil. Alright, so with thick oil, it's a lot better on these cars because you already run the risk of burning oil. And the thinner the oil, the more likely you're going to burn more oil. So I decided to throw this on. When Mikey emptied the oil pan, or when Mike emptied all the oil out of the car while I was getting my rim, he said there's only like 2 quarts of oil left, which is saying a lot because I'm using synthetic oil 1, so I should only need an oil change every 4,000 to 6,000 miles. 2, I put 5 quarts in, so from my last oil change till now I burned 3 quarts of oil, and my last oil change, which is 0.3, was only about 2,000 miles ago. So I'm burning a lot of oil, and like that's a known issue with DEs especially. So there's nothing really I can do other than change my oil. And the way I've been using, the way I've been checking constantly is checking my oil pressure. And I know where I usually ride, and when I start getting low on oil, I'll start dipping down really low. It's come to a point where I literally had 0 like PSI of oil pressure, and when I went and did the oil change, I only had like a quart of oil left. So, as a 350Z owner, long story short, change your oil frequently. Check the forums. Today, that's what I've been on the forums a lot lately. So, I decided to use this 5W40, and once it's the summertime, I'm going to go to 10W40 for just better efficacy or better efficiency. I think that's the word I'm going for. But anyways, bros, today was very eventful. I had to change my tire, change my oil on Skylar. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for the support. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. As always, guys, be patient and trust the process.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.